Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me do this camera here. This is a nice cam because it is an IDEO Wocam. It's a home camera system with Ultra 2K camera. Wow, really small with 64GB. For example, memory card. You can buy them separately, or it's in the box as you choose different packs of it. So you can remove and attach a new memory card and a micro SD card into the camera, of course, no problem. It's an inter-secured camera here with a long battery life. That means there is a built-in battery. And this makes it so mobile. It's cloud and SD storage possible. AI motion detection, secure wireless camera. It's a nanny cam. It's a clear night vision on top with that. This camera is designed for exclusively for use with a strong and stable 2.4 and 5 GHz private Wi-Fi networks. It is not compatible with any 4G LTE networks. Okay, so it's not recommended using the camera without a Wi-Fi connection. If we need to operate a camera without any network, we should scan the QR code on the manual, and we get access to details how we perform this without the Wi-Fi. Because the Wi-Fi way is really easy, as you can see. You download the app out of the App Store, out of the Google Play Store, and then you go pair it by Bluetooth, for example. Yeah, that's no problem for it. Oh, also, that's easy peasy. And if you perform that, you have to enter into your Wi-Fi network. After you entered your passcode for your network, you are able to use that camera. And that means this camera is inside your Wi-Fi network. And that means you can enter, while using the app, from the entire world, where an internet connection is required, of course. You can enter into the camera and have a look what's going on there. During the process of installation, it's really easy, of course. The camera includes the 3-day loop cloud storage, which we can enable if we like, because there is a cloud service built in. That means we can upload the camera shot to the cloud, and after this, we can download them or use them while using our smartphone, for example. The other thing is, of course, we can use a micro SD card to store the movies and videos and so the camera shots and something else too. That's possible. Or you're going to use the app, and the app you can make a live recording possibility, photos, videos, what you like. And then we are big in business. We have an indicator light on the camera itself. That means the blue light flash slowly, ready for a new Wi-Fi setup. The blue light flash fast connection. Blue light solid on, connected. Then we have an indicator light before the setup. The blue light solid on, recording motion detection. The indicator light after the reset is green. Green light and blue light flash alternately, resetting the camera, because there is a reset button. If you have to reset this camera, no problem for it. Push it, hold it for approximately 5 seconds, job's done. Blue light flash slowly, ready for a new Wi-Fi setup. Then, we have a yellow light on. That means charging mode. And we can charge the camera by using a 5-volt adapter. That can be your smartphone AC adapter, for example. This can be an USB socket, for example, or something else. We should make a reload for approximately 3 hours using the provided cable and a 5-volt AC adapter. Typically, our phone's charging adapter should work fine for that. Then we download the O-KAM Pro app out of the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then we register an account on it, of course, and then we can start with pairing. It's really easy. Then we have a camera mount. The camera mount is easy to install, of course. We ensure surface is smooth, flat, and clean. The mount consists in two parts, a tray and a base. We connect by a 360 degrees ball structure. The 3M tape is fixed on the base of the mount, which allows us to easily attach to a variety of surfaces, of course. And we have working mode then. We have a ellipsis button on the home page, the camera settings page, the working mode. We have power saving mode, or a smart sleep mode, or the super power saving mode. We can choose from by using the app, for example, to make a setup of it. Power saving mode means motion detection recording in the card storage or the cloud storage. Smart sleeping means motion detection and continuous recording in card storage mode. Super power saving is motion detection recording and motion detection recording in the card storage or in cloud storage. So you see, you can choose from different kind of options where you like to use that camera. The camera makes a good video and a good photo shots, of course. It's easy to operate and it's a mobile one. That means you can use this camera where you like indoor because there's a built-in battery and an easy installation. It's small. It's a home camera for looking what's going on in the office, looking what's going on at home, and looking what's going on with your pets and something else. What's going on, and you can have a look there. Really cool, and it comes by IDOVOCAM. Thanks for watching. This is the CB70W. See you next time. Sun.